Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour, this one of the pre-owned 2018 Zion. So this one is totally loaded with all the options you would want for a self-regenerating motorhome. You never have to plug this in if you don't want to. It does have a volt start up in front that'll automatically start everything up and recharge the batteries should they go out, so you can run the air conditioner all night if you have pets, you know, that type of thing. It's going to sort of self-regenerate. You've got solar panels on the roof, you know, instant tankless hot water heater on this one, so totally loaded to the gills. We also have power steps for the driver and passenger side, as well as the main door. We have the screen kit for the side and the rear. We'll have a power awning up on the top there, which is going to be quite nice. Take a walk in this in the nice silver exterior. They have the nice aluminum wheels on here as well. And let's see, not much room here, so I'm going to try and do the best I can. But yeah, you have the screens on it right now, but as you can see, they make it very easy if you want to load cargo in the back, or you know, maybe if you wanted to put bicycles back here, you absolutely can. Maybe skis or kayaks, that type of thing. Easy loading for all of that. Okay. Of course, I have the backup camera, TV antenna, hitch in the back there. And does have the backup sensors too, which is quite nice. That will alert you if you're getting too close to an object. We have an outside shower, and we do have the instant tankless water heater there. So let's take a look inside our 2018 Zion, our self-regenerating motorhome. So absolutely love these. They just have every single option you could want, and they just have great layouts. So let's take a look inside here. So first thing, we have granite countertops, which is going to be, you know, very nice looking. We do have like a little countertop extender here. Huge refrigerator and freezer for a Class B. Phenomenal storage too. You have a big sliding door, nice big sliding pantry here too. These are both very, very deep and quite spacious. Close these up. Okay, let's take a quick look at our bathroom here. There we go. Remember, we have that instant tankless water heater, foot flush toilet, little sink in here and everything too, little spot to put your toiletries. So definitely a nice little setup in here. Gonna be overhead storage here as well. It's quite deep. It's maybe a little hard to see on the video, but quite deep in there. A little bit of overhead space here as well. Has the leather wrapped steering wheel. We have satellite navigation with the Uconnect system. This one actually has the CD player built in as well, which is kind of cool. Let's see, our volt start switch is right under that yellow sticker. We flip that on, and that's going to give us continuous power. So let's say you're spending the night in here away from plug-ins. All you do is just flip that switch, and you run your air conditioner just as normal. And as soon as the batteries run a little bit low after maybe a couple hours, the engine will automatically engage, which is very, very quiet. Wouldn't be able to hear it over the air conditioner, wouldn't disturb your neighbors, and you can even turn all the lights off in the RAM system here, so you have no lights turning on when the vehicle engages. Recharges your battery and then turns itself right back off. So you really have continuous 110 power anywhere you want to travel with that 400 amp battery on board. So very, very cool. Does have the passenger armrest. Not all of them had that, so that's a nice touch. Up here's our control panel, and we'll be able to operate our inverter, you know, turn all our water pumps on, check our battery levels, bring our awning out, check tank levels, all that good stuff all in one place. Nice stainless steel backsplash here. Microwave up on top. And as we go back, we have a power sofa. So this side's basically, when you hit the power button, it's going to slide over to the other side. There are 3 seat belts in the back here as well for passengers. And nice, huge, big storage area here. They really know how to make every last bit of space work for this. And in the back here, there's going to be all kinds of outlets. We're going to have screens and or shades for all of our windows. And we can open those windows quite a ways as well, so we can get a lot of nice airflow in here. It does have the fantastic fan up in the front, which sort of sucks air through, creates a sort of an airflow throughout here. So the more windows or screens you have out, the better that works. In the back here, we'll have our 24-inch television, and we'll also have our Blu-ray player, and that's a smart Blu-ray player. So a lot of people are actually getting smart with it and connecting it to their personal Wi-Fi hotspots on their smartphones. And this is all capable of taking Wi-Fi, so you can stream Netflix, Hulu, all of your favorite streaming apps right through the existing system. And we'll go all the way right through into the television. So that's a nice touch. Beautiful cherry wood in here too. All of it's in very, very good shape. Everything on here is in great shape. Nothing wrong with anything. And just a beautiful coach all around. So this is our 2018 Zion, our self-regenerating motorhome. This is on the Ram chassis, the 20-foot 7-inch chassis. So absolutely gorgeous. Check it out. Check out our website at advancedcamping.com for pricing information and stock availability. Again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. And please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video and want to see more. Thank you and have a great day.